Today, I'm going to teach you how to tell the 68 and 69 Chevelle apart at first glance. And stick to the end because I'll give you one exception to the rule. The 68 Chevelle had a fine egg crate mesh grille, while the 69 Chevelle had a large horizontal center bar in the grille. Another big difference was in the tail lights. The 68 had rectangular tail lights, while the 69 had bigger tail lights. The last way to tell them apart just by looks is my favorite and easiest one of all. And that is that the 68 Chevelle had vent windows while the 69 had a full glass window. On the inside, the 68 Chevelle had the ignition in the dashboard, while the 69 had it in the column. To my knowledge, these are the main visual differences between the 68 and 69 Chevelle. Oh wait, I told you there was one exception, and that is the 69 post car, because that car has the front grille and the back lights of the 69, but still has bent windows. So don't get that one confused. That is the only one exception of a 69 that actually has vent windows. Unless it was custom built, 68s are the only ones that are supposed to have the vent windows, not the 69s. If I miss any ways that you can tell a 68 and 69 Chevelle apart, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this kind of video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more.